Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about skincare for men. A lot of guys tend to overlook this aspect of their routine, but taking care of your skin is essential for a healthy and youthful appearance. Step 1. Cleanse. The first step in any skincare routine is to cleanse your face. You should be doing this twice a day, in the morning and at night. Use a gentle, non-irritating cleanser to remove dirt, oil, and impurities from your skin. Step 2. Exfoliate. Exfoliating is an important step in maintaining healthy skin. It removes dead skin cells, unclogs pores, and can even help prevent ingrown hairs. Use an exfoliating scrub once or twice a week, depending on your skin type. Step 3. Moisturize. Moisturizing is crucial for keeping your skin hydrated and protected from the elements. Choose a moisturizer that's appropriate for your skin type, and apply it every morning and night. Pay special attention to eyes and mouth areas. Step 4. Sunscreen. Protecting your skin from the sun is important for preventing premature aging and reducing your risk of skin cancer. Use a sunscreen with an SPF of at least 30, and apply it every morning before you go outside. Step 5. Eye care. The skin around your eyes is delicate and prone to fine lines and wrinkles. Use an eye cream to keep this area hydrated and protected. Apply a small amount to your under eye area using your ring finger, and gently pat it in. And there you have it guys, a basic skincare routine for men. Remember, taking care of your skin doesn't have to be complicated or time-consuming. By following these simple steps, you'll be on your way to healthy, youthful-looking skin.